Hi guys, I'm Barnyard.
If you're bored of plain dosa and idli, then this video is for you. So yeah, enjoy this pizza-looking veg-loaded, high-fiber, mouth-watering breakfast. All you need to do is take 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of Barnyard idli rava. Wash well and soak for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Once soaked, add urad dal to grinder along with a little water and grind patiently to a smooth consistency. Now, add soaked Barnyard idli rava to urad dal batter and mix really well. Ferment this overnight. Now the batter is ready, but if you like fermented taste, I advise it to leave for another day. Then add salt and water and mix to a good consistency. Now take a bowl and add grated carrot, chopped onions, coriander and chilies or any other veggies of your choice as per requirements and mix well. Now take a pan and spread the batter like a dosa in a circular manner but in a thick consistency. Add enough veggies and cover it with a lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip around and keep for another minute in a medium flame and enjoy it.